Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder (ADHD) is a neurodevelopmental disorder that affects both children and adults. In this video, I have discussed the intricacies of ADHD to shed light on its characteristics and causes. ADHD is a condition that impacts a person's ability to pay attention, control impulsive behaviors, and regulate excessive activity levels. Individuals with ADHD may exhibit symptoms such as difficulty staying focused, impulsivity, and hyperactivity. The symptoms are difficulty sustaining attention in tasks or play activities, frequently making careless mistakes due to lack of attention to details, forgetfulness in daily activities, restlessness often seen as nervousness or moving, difficulty engaging in activities quietly, acting without thinking about consequences, interrupting others during conversations. The exact cause of ADHD is not fully understood, but a combination of genetic, environmental, and neurological factors is believed to contribute. Factors like premature birth, exposure to tobacco smoke during pregnancy, and a family history of ADHD may increase the risks. Diagnosing ADHD involves a comprehensive assessment, including interviews with parents, teachers, and observations of the individual's behavior. There is no single test for ADHD, and a healthcare professional, often a psychologist or psychiatrist, will evaluate various aspects of the person's life. Cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) helps individuals develop coping strategies and improve self-control. Parental training can be beneficial for parents in managing their child's behavior effectively. Structured routines and clear expectations at home and school also works. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet, and sufficient sleep contribute to overall well-being. Understanding workplace challenges related to ADHD is important, and it's remember that these challenges can vary from person to person. If you are concerned, seeking advice from a professional who specializes in neurodiverse conditions can be beneficial. They can answer your questions and offer strategies for management. For those dealing with ADHD, issues like executive dysfunction can be common, leading to problems with planning and organization. In a work setting, this might mean difficulty prioritizing tasks, resulting in inefficient time use and potentially affecting job performance. Regulating focus can also be a challenge, making it hard to concentrate on projects and meet deadlines. To boost productivity and focus, consider environmental strategies like minimizing distractions and removing temptations. Time management tools like planners can be helpful, as well as identifying your most productive times for tasks. Break down work into smaller chunks and take breaks. Dealing with impulsiveness and hyperactivity is also essential. Mindfulness exercises and delay techniques can be effective. Ensure your work environment doesn't trigger impulsive actions, and consider having tools like feedback toys to channel hyperactivity energy. Request feedback, check company policies, and be prepared with documentation if discussing ADHD related accommodations with your employer. Recognize and leverage your strength instead of focusing solely on weakness. Keep a journal of achievements. Knowing your limits is important to prevent burnout. Learn your triggers, feel confident saying no, and communicate your needs and limits with colleagues. Practice self-care and self-compassion throughout this journey. ADHD is a complex but manageable condition that requires a multifaceted approach. By recognizing the symptoms, understanding the causes, and implementing appropriate interventions, individuals with ADHD can lead fulfilling lives. Increase of awareness and acceptance is key to ensuring that those with ADHD receive the support they need. Thanks for watching.